Esteemed colleagues, Mr. President, esteemed colleagues, my name is Senator Neda Emerson, Chairman, Senate Committee on Ethics, Privileges and Public Petition. I have two petitions, Mr. President, before us today. First is petition from Mr. Osita Uwanjide and Mr. Jude Wanchukwu on behalf of the members of the Nigerian Association of Patent and Proprietary Medicine Dealers Association, Lagos Island Zone, against National Agency for Food, Drugs Administration and Control, NAFDAC, for alleged continued closure and sealing of their members' shops and parking stores at Idumota Lagos Island, Lagos State. They are praying for the reopening of shops and their parking stores. President, esteemed colleagues, we seek your kind permission to present before you.
Do you have are the petitions in court?
Not to my
Any of
knowledge.
the petitioners?
Not to my knowledge, Mr. President.
So no legal encumbrance?
No, Mr.
You may proceed to lay the petitions.
Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Senator.